Welcome back, and in this episode we're going to show you how to create a portfolio. So in order to add a new photo album to the portfolio, you simply have to go over to your posts, and we're going to create a new blog post. And when you create the blog post, we're going to select the portfolio tag to put it in, and this will ensure that it goes to the portfolio. So we're going to, just like a normal blog, we give it a name. We click on this add photo gallery and a bunch of options will pop up, and we select the photo gallery that we want to add to this post. And then we do the same SEO options as any blog post. We do keywords, title, description, we do our tags, we add a featured image, and then the most important thing is to add it to the portfolio category. When you add it to this category, it'll show up in the portfolio, and then you publish the post, and that's all.